MusicNomad's Precision Fretrocker Plus is made of high-quality stainless steel that has a perfect thickness and features precision edges achieved through single setup, continuous 5-axis CNC, producing flawless flat edges with an accuracy tolerance of plus or minus 0.0015 inches per foot. Our patented 5-edge design allows for balanced weight and precise diagnosis of fret evenness and includes 4 straight edges, 1.25 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, and 4 inch for accurate fret rocking. More than just a fret rocker, we include an accurate string action gauge and pickup height ruler in inches, metric, and 64ths that are easy to read with our innovative dark finish and deep etched white markings. Our convenient chart on proper height by instrument type and measurement instructions takes out the guesswork. The pickup ruler helps you dial in the sound even more. Our high-quality stainless steel design with numbers and lines that don't rub off ensures years of use, and each corner is smoothed and polished to prevent sharp edges from damaging your instrument and your hands. We also include a convenient hang hole. It works in tandem with MusicNomad's precision fret gauge that is sold separately, making the perfect fret evaluation tool combo for all fretted instruments, including acoustic guitars, electric guitars, bass, and more. For more videos on how to perform guitar setups or care for your frets, subscribe to our channel and visit musicnomadcare.com for all our products and how-to videos.